Today is the day 6 that I am still going to call out TikTok, CapCut, Google and other tech platforms lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni. They should include Yoruba captions. Kí tiẹ̀ lélẹ̀ ṣe náà? You will say you want to learn Yoruba language. Shebi, one of the ways of learning Yoruba language is by watching videos that is they are speaking Yoruba, not the one that they are talking as parent. So if you include Yoruba captions, the people that are trying to learn Yoruba language, they will learn from those videos. So those captions. Everybody cannot be creating content and be speaking aspiring. Look at other African language, other African country. They are speaking whatever. They will now speak small English and then speak a very long of their own language. And you are not telling us that whenever we upload Yoruba video, and we should be speaking English because it's English language that everybody is understanding. It's my mother tongue English language. It's my mother tongue English language. What I am talking about, just include Yoruba captions. Because it's